In this video, we'll show you how to create Salesforce cases directly from WhatsApp. Imagine receiving a message from a customer about a problem with a recently delivered order. With Hopper, you can handle the entire interaction within the same WhatsApp conversation. No need to switch platforms. You can easily create a case in Salesforce Service Cloud. Keep all relevant documents and client conversation history organized in one place. Every agent with access to Hopper and Service Cloud can see the full history of the conversation, including attachments. This makes collaboration smoother and follow-ups more efficient. You can also update the case with new information or add attachments, all without leaving the interface. You can use tags to add relevant details and context to the conversation. When needed, you can seamlessly transfer the conversation to another agent or a dedicated support group for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update.